Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Just wait for a minute so that the other can could join and after it will be continued. Why from where we have to start?
Sir, we have completed the chapter Java.
Okay, we have to start the new chapter.
Yes, sir.
So we have
Cloud
to.
computing.
So we were discussing this chapter. Explanation has been done. We have to do the
Sir,
notes.
start करना है.
Before starting this chapter, I'm just suggesting you to keep your notebook with you so that we could write the notes as well. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, so we are going to start the chapter Java. Oh, sorry, cloud computing. So just a moment, and I'm just sharing my screen with you, and you have to turn your camera on, guys. Sarit, Sarit, beta, please turn your camera
Good
on.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Turn your camera on.
सर एक मिनट रुक.
So, beta, I'm just sharing my screen with you, and whatsoever I am typing in you have to type the same in. You have to write the same into your notebook. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Is it visible? Okay. So inside this chapter, you have to write the first set. Who is Satyendra Yadav? Is there anyone in your class named
Sir
Satyendra Yadav?
Ankit.
Ankit, please turn your camera on. Ankit, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Uh,
Good
you have,
afternoon.
Ankit, you have to remain your camera on during the class. So we are going to complete the notes of cloud computing chapter. Or we are. It is. We have to
Good
also
afternoon,
discuss.
sir.
Good afternoon. Who is this? Mudit. So anyone having any idea what is cloud computing?
In which we can store our data on cloud servers of a company.
What do you understand by the term cloud server? Anyone?
Sir, cloud servers are like the servers of a company which give us access to them so that we can store some of our data on them.
I just want to know how many types of networks are there. There are basically two types of network. I'm just writing. You know, no need to write it into a notebook. There are two types of network. First one is the peer-to-peer network, and the another one is the cloud server network. Oh, sorry, client server network. Client server network. So basically,
Sir.
good afternoon, Samar. Samar, you have to turn your camera on.
Sir, what are we doing?
We are just completing the notes of cloud computing chapter as well as we'll be discussing this chapter. Okay. Adrika.
Sir, we are making the notes.
Yes. Adrika.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, beta. Mudit. Please turn your video on.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sorry. Mudit,
Yes, so just 1 second.
chalo. Basically, cloud computing is an internet-based facility which provides us which provides us servers to store our data and resources online. And with the help of cloud computing, we can store the things online. We can even retrieve the things whenever it is needed from the different devices. So write down the first heading: cloud computing. Cloud computing. I hope my screen is clearly visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It refers to the delivery of computing services such as servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and analytics over the internet. It allows users to access resources on demand without needing physical infrastructure. Whenever you have done with this heading, please let me know. Okay, sir, I have done. Pratishtha,
Yes, sir.
please turn your camera on. You all are requested to turn your
Sir,
camera on.
please wait a second.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
Yes, beta.
सर जो हाफ ईयरली की वो आई है लाइक सिलेबस की पीडीएफ, तो उसमें 2 चैप्टर्स दे रखे हैं चैप्टर 8 से।
हाफ ईयरली की और अभी जो टीटी उसका
फाइनल फाइनल फाइनल।
only 2 chapters have been given.
नो नो
हाँ,
सर, देयर आर 2 चैप्टर्स रिटन एज चैप्टर 8, क्रिएटिंग एनिमेशन इन एनिमेट एंड आरटी एआई एंड रोबोटिक्स।
तो वो तुम उसको कंसीडर कर लो, हो सकता है देयर विल बी अ मिसप्रिंट.
लाइक एक ही चैप्टर के।
हाँ, वो अलग अलग है. And are you clear with your TT4 syllabus ना?
यस सर।
कौन कौन से चैप्टर्स आ रहे हैं?
सर एक ही आ रहा है।
No, there will be 2 chapters बेटा.
दो? सर
हाँ,
एक दे रखा है उसमें शायद से।
वो मैंने बताया था क्लास में भी, वो मिसप्रिंट है वहाँ पे. मैं फिर भी ग्रुप में फिर से तुम्हें शेयर कर दूंगा सिलेबस. ओके.
सर क्या क्या आएगा?
आपका जावा वाला चैप्टर और जावा से फर्स्ट वाला चैप्टर कौन सा था? इंट्रोडक्शन टू जावा एंड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रोबोटिक्स। ठीक है,
Okay.
so let's start with the next topic. Why there is a need for using cloud computing? Do you have any idea? Any one of you?
Sir,
Stores.
Why?
so that we do not need much storage devices.
So that we must not need much storage devices. And one more.
And sir, so that we can access our data from anywhere.
Good. So if we want to write into the points, then how can we write? How will we write? First point, you have to write cost effectiveness. Cost effectiveness means whenever it is possible for you to store the data online, you don't need to buy the resources again and again for storing your data. Okay. First point is cost effectiveness, in which you have to write eliminates the need for purchasing and maintaining hardware. Second, scalability. Resources can be scalability means to say, like, we can increase or decrease the number of resources whenever it is needed. Let's suppose if we have to store a large amount of data, we can use multiple resources. But if we don't have a large amount of data, then we can decrease the number of resources. Okay. Resources can be scaled up or down based on demand. Next, flexibility. Flexibility means anyone, Atrika?
Sir, like it can be used from anywhere, from any
Yes,
device.
you can access the things from anywhere and any devices. It is not like, let's suppose I have just stored your data in my laptop, and once I have needed, I need my laptop. But instead of storing it on, if we stored your data on the online server, I can access it from my mobile phone, from any other devices as well. So flexibility means accessible from anywhere, providing ease of collaboration.
सर प्रोवाइडिंग की बात करें
Provide, it is visible in front of you. Just look at your screen.
सर इसका मतलब क्या होगा ई ए एस ई
Ease of provide, it is kind of easier way, means to say easily you can find collaborate something. Okay, Sarit. Next, start with data security. Data security. Advanced security measures provided by service providers. Advanced security measures provided by service security providers. The last is reliability. Data backup and recovery ensure business continuity. Once you've done, please let me know. Sir, I have done. Mudit, Mudit, Nadrika. Done?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, done.
Ankit, why are you smiling?
Sir.
Yes. Is everything okay? Ankit, no need to turn your camera off, beta.
Yes.
Let me show my camera as well. हाँ भाई, बहुत मजे आ रहे हैं घर पे सबको, है ना? चलो, डन?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's move to the next point, the next topic. Key features of cloud computing. So what can be the key features of cloud computing? Anyone having any idea? Key features of cloud computing.
So, like, it has a good amount of storage, and we can access data from anywhere and from any device.
Good. Anyone else? Anyone else?
Sir, we
What?
can access data from anywhere.
We can access what?
Sir,
Sir,
data from anywhere.
earlier you said what?
Sir,
Vansh.
data.
Vansh. Key features.
Yes, sir.
Key features of cloud computing. Any one feature you have to tell.
Sir,
Your voice is breaking,
key
Vansh.
features of
Your voice is
cloud
not clearly coming, Vansh. Mudit, are you
computing.
here, beta? Mudit, if you will not speak, I will just remove you from the class.
Sir,
What is going on here?
Sir, all the data.
Samar Verma, you have to tell.
Sir, any one key
हाँ
feature of cloud computing?
हाँ जी हाँ जी हाँ जी. Any one feature of
Sir,
cloud.
wait a minute. Sir, key feature can be
Pratishta, why are you leaving the class again and again?
the cost saving.
And
Sir, can I tell?
yes, Pratishta, you have to start your video now. Yes.
Sir, sir, one key feature of cloud computing can be, sir, that it is free a certain amount of data. For example, Google Drive offers 15 to I think so 15 GB of free space.
So I hope screen is visible. Hello. But I am audible.
Sir.
Chalo. First key feature you have to
Yes,
write.
sir.
First key feature is you have to write on demand self service. On demand self service, in which you have to write users can provision resources without human interaction. Means to say whenever it is needed, we can just get the things. What data we have stored, we can just it is possible for us to get to that data. Next is broad network access. Accessible from various devices over the internet. Next, resource pooling. Shared resources dynamically allocated to users. Next, rapid elasticity. Resources can be scaled rapidly based on workload that we had already discussed. Measured service. Pay per use model shows billing based on consumption. Done? बच्चे done?
No, sir.
Yeah.
Am I visible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
समर को ठंड लग रही है.
Sir, done.
Done?
Yes.
So next heading you have to write advantages of cloud computing. Cloud. So first advantage is cost saving. reduces capital and operational expenses. Disadvantage is accessibility. Accessible from any location with an internet connection. Next, scalability. Resources can be adjusted to meet business needs. Next, flexibility. Supports remote work and collaboration. Last point, automatic updates. Service providers handle software updates and maintenance. Once you have done, let me know. Done?
No,
Once you have done, please let me know, bacha.
done.
Ankit, where are you going? Vansh, Samar, Adrika, Pratishta, Mudit, you have done? If you have done, please raise your hand in the chat box. Sorry, done. What about the others?
Sir, I have also done.
Okay,
Sir,
Ankit,
I
yes.
am on the third point.
Do it fast. After that, we have to write the disadvantage also. So start. Write down the heading disadvantages of cloud computing. First heading you have to write dependence on internet. requires a stable internet connection. Next, data security risk. Potential vulnerability to cyber attacks. Next, limited control. Users rely on service to manage service page. Governance. Users and these are the disadvantage, and after the disadvantage you have to write down the main heading. What is a web app? Web application is a software program that runs on web server and is accessed via a browser. Example: Gmail, Docs, requiring installation can be devices. Next main heading: cloud storage.
सर आज के लिए इतना
Application. Now you need to only write the point. Just take the screenshot quickly. Google Drive. Next is Dropbox. Next is Microsoft OneDrive. Next is iCloud. Next is Amazon S3. Next is Box. Next is applications. Now it's users. Store, access, share, share data, securely, convert. Chapter completed. The notes part. completed. In the next class, we'll be discussing and we'll be solving the book exercise. Adrika,
Yes,
Adrika,
sir.
after this class, you have to just click the photographs of your notes and post into the class groups. Okay? Just after this class.
Okay.
I'm giving you the responsibility to do this. Got it? Either you'll be sending on my WhatsApp number. मेरे को WhatsApp कर देना.
Sir, done.
Sir, just show me your notebook with the back camera. It's not clearly visible. Just focus on your notebook. Okay, good. Ankit, you have done? Show me your
Yes,
notebook,
sir.
Ankit. Back camera will not be there in the laptop. You are taking the class from here. अच्छा, notes of Java and Blue we have completed, na? In the classroom, we have completed the notes of Java and Blue. I think it's less than 1 minute left for. And Adrika, I gave you some. Adrika and Ankit, it's your responsibility. Either you will be posting into the class group or you will be sending it to me just after the class. If you have not done, just take the screenshot because class is going to be end in just few seconds. Automatically, it will be ended. As well. Oh, Ankit, you are using filter. Huh? कर लो कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
सर वो लाइट लगी हुई है, वो मतलब ब्लिंक होती रहती है
वंश को
कुछ
देखो
टाइम
कितनी
के
ठंड
बाद।
लग रही है. वंश और समर को ठंड लग रही है.
सर यहाँ पे सर्दी थोड़ी ज्यादा हो रही है कैंड